In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a beta tester on Pinterest. If you've ever wanted early access to features before they're widely released, becoming a beta tester is a great way to get a sneak peek and help improve the product with your feedback. Just keep in mind that beta versions can be a little less stable than regular releases, so you might notice the occasional bug or design tweak while Pinterest iterates. Start by opening your browser and heading to pinterest.com. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to use for testing. This works with both personal and business accounts, and the option is generally available across regions, though availability can change from time to time. Once you're on the home feed, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Settings and Support. Click that to open a small menu. This is where Pinterest groups account tools, help options, and program opt-ins. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding your sidebar or switching to the standard layout rather than full-screen board views. In the menu that opens, look for an option called Be a Beta Tester and click it. This takes you to Pinterest's beta program area, where you can read a short description of what the beta includes and how feedback is used. You'll typically see a clear join button or a toggle to opt in. Go ahead and confirm your choice to enroll. If Pinterest presents any terms or a brief notice, take a moment to read it so you know what to expect. After joining, it's a good idea to refresh your page, and if you use the Pinterest app on your phone, consider closing and reopening the app so any beta-related updates can load. New features won't necessarily appear instantly, and not every tester gets every experiment, but you should start seeing early changes roll out over time. When you notice something new, explore it and use it naturally. Pinterest often gathers feedback through in-product prompts, brief surveys, or performance metrics, so your regular use is valuable. If anything feels off, try basic troubleshooting like refreshing the page or clearing your cache, since beta features are actively evolving. And remember, participation is entirely optional, so use what's comfortable for your workflow. That's it. Head to Pinterest, open Settings and Support, and choose Be a Beta Tester to join. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the newest features before they launch to everyone.